Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A quick new feature update on Funneltopia under communication. And now, if you see on the right side for any conversation that you're having, over here, you can see there's two new sections, which is tasks. If you click on it, you can add a task and you can assign it to a specific team member, set a due date, and all that stuff, right? And also, you can add a note. So if you click on it, you can enter a note for this specific conversation. It basically gives you more kind of a functionality, just things you can do without leaving the actual conversation, without going to other places. Like it kind of keeps it all in one place. So that's kind of a good thing. But if you're watching this video relatively shortly after it was posted, and if you don't have these features here, they still might be in labs, they still might be in beta. So if you click on the settings and then you go to labs over here, they're going to be over here at the bottom, right? Under tasks and notes, you need to switch this on, because if it's not, and if it's still here, it says 7 more days. So it might not be an issue for you. But if you don't see them on the right side, then yeah, you just have to come here and switch it on because it's still in beta. So yeah, but I don't think that should be an issue by the moment you see this video. Yeah, and if you have any other questions, click on the icon here below, 24/7 chat support. Let us know if you have any questions about this or Funneltopia in general. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.